an seos an International Comedy Club agus bhí mar cuoinú castar stáit an seo tá cínta.
Gearing an tríú na cethú gig riamh dhéanas, tríú na cethú gig profisiúnta ceart a dhéanas riamh. An ihe céine mo chéad gig an seo an céad gig a bhíh Jason Byrne cuma.
Abba?
Yeah. Bhí glún cinse an agus an glún a bhí anna me, Jason Byrne, Ed Byrne, Colin Murphy, Andrew Maxwell, agus riime sin bhí Dylan Moore an chumá. Ach sin béidir an glúidir céin chumá actually. Agus sin glún óháin a tháinig tríd an próisis ar fad. Cos mar déanamh na gigs an seo agus cumála sin Edinburgh ag an am chéine agus bhí Ed béidir beáí nó ar ggó mar bhí sé hála sasna hána féin. Agus déanamh shows níos mó Kilkenny agus really mar ran an listí an féile mór Kilkenny. Chonnig tú muid airí ó bheith déanamh opening slots nó MC slots go dtí Lór an Bill, go dtí Bór an Bill agus na réanta seo is na héirnig an access tábhachtaí Kilkenny.
What's the number one thing you don't want to have happened in a house before you move in? Murder. Jesus, like one voice. Murder! Murder! Like a rabble, you rose out of the chair. Murder! I wasn't sure if you wanted to avoid murder or you wanted to murder.
Aber sé difriú aber mar hampla bhaitinis tá tú tríis cáil mór once mach assassina tá tú ahananta tú cinál 8 acu ar bhealach a gapa ghuiil tú mar chuid gon cinál scene.
Establishment.
I'd be bringing through a night at the Apollo, agus like the
Well, there's a jock more gentle. There's on the occasion vast really co-Williamshire. In some, in some firmament. Machine for my an apologetic and Kubler DVDs and my Neil more everything like the Hebrew find Peter Cakes Martian. It's in board debt and Tanner Fad, Achig Bun and board debt. It's hovering along good bra, August like solidly, the Corgum the lad of Rob Brydon, for Gavin and Stacey's Martian. As you may like my show, Dara, we're the kind of people, other people this. We're just doing this. Rob, how do you know that we don't just think we're doing this because we hang out with the people who are doing this?
Well, sin rud agus tá tusa inis fi láthair aber mar hampla pís inis tá tú rás na sin rí beaga seo agus tú gobar seo.
Agus you can uscrim sin show ceart Lor Mi Anner tus nó mé an run I gceart mar le clia agus rá sin nach sé fad an UK cumá so déanam hat a céad feithe shows mór ach if a gábhí riime sin tá sé show me go mór a seo nó go beagla sé déirmí le dá duine na chuige duine agus mé le piece of paper le notiscript there agus tá sé custom paper agus really ag rá okay, what if elephants wore roller skates? Funny? What? What think of that? Like, Agus Mark right, okay, no, we're going to that. Agus, really, Agus, an teoric no, Balach Ibin Shin no. Nor vind ik zie je show met dat fijn. Ik choksus le joke. Ni Ibin Shin. Ni feit, Anna Yakker choksus this stuff. Nu nog goed ook zien er een gig fijn.
So Neil Kishin Shin agus keer. Tá sé am. Show that joke.
Initius a reach. Nis mona Shin cabin show. Oh wait. Sin ru a hála seanscoil rudig an meála sé.
Okay.
Ach ní listen cá rachi sé. No listen cá dusní sin a chochréting sé. So it's gáil mi seasan bus cos lua August just tusnú kaint.
No murder, no drug buzz. Anything else you don't have in the house. What did you say? What did you say? Porn films. Like you don't aim to have watched any porn films, or you don't want to be watching a porn film and go, is that our house, Mary?
I've got to see leis agus tú Curtis le camcourt soch mór in that evening.
Yeah, actually by me more for 8 so by me such a hard to kid or written blina just down the show sin she garlig and he for láir tá beidir trochanóid beidir dachanóid beidir chuigeanóid an Ibrian agus is called mar seo beidir nuair an tafad seo tá cúpla seachna go fós le gona bhíad is called an breistóf a chab mar il chéile chuna tá sé is próséis it jachar eggs agus orint Ibrian stuff orint an Ibrian dearmí that tá fehanóid iontacha so agus a críoch an bhagam críoch nó sé an láide actually I would know it's called the law of recency
The law of recency.
R-E-C-E-N-C-Y. The law of recency. Queening Dini on Rudjan Chonashit.
Well, because I figure out some
I know. So really, just chatting myself to the Lara, Lara, as your head, just be kind. Agus Shin go fehno with Donjera. bang. And if I stuff ítach agam go fenú.
I miss Taylor like you can't imagine. And Mick from Taylor goes, wait there. And he runs out to the Burlington Hotel ballroom through the Burlington Hotel corridor to the car park, right? Where he takes out of the opening of the boot of the car and takes the thing out, and then he runs through the Burlington Hotel car park, walks up to the top of the Burlington Hotel ballroom, and presents me with a box of 56 packets of Taylor shoes and